And by imbibing with us the passion for self sufficiency, September Spirit has made our independence and sovereignty invincible. I am proud that in addition to being fully modernized, our armed forces are imbued with the spirit of patriotism and sacrifice and are capable of defeating any internal and external adventurism. The world has already witnessed their capabilities in February this year when they effectively and swiftly responded to Indian intrusion and made it clear to the world that their hearts are still charged with the September spirit and they will go to any extent to safeguard the freedom, integrity, and sovereignty of the motherland. On this Defense and Martyrs' Day, we reiterate solidarity with our Kashmiri brethren and renew our resolve that we will continue to support their right to self determination. We will continue raising their just struggle for freedom at all levels and platforms. Indian brutalities and cruelties cannot suppress their spirit of freedom. Undoubtedly, occupied Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory. There are many Security Council resolutions on Kashmir dispute and it should be resolved according to those resolutions. Therefore, Indian unilateral actions in this regard have no significance and we do not accept these fascist actions. In this regard, the serious notice by Security Council of Indian barbarism in occupied Jammu and Kashmir is a reflection of this fact. Surely the world has realized that this conflict is the biggest danger to world peace. Pakistan is a peaceful nation and has rendered enormous sacrifices for world peace. We are desirous of friendly relations with all our neighbors. Moreover, sustainable peace in Afghanistan is our biggest desire, and for this we fully support the ongoing reconciliation efforts. Today, apart from external threats, Pakistan is also facing various internal challenges. Remember, strong economy, economic prosperity alone can guarantee a prosperous